Hi everyone, the purpose of this video is to show how to upload the Student Growth Tracker into Strive. Shout out to Renee Ray for letting me use her login for Strive. Once you log in, go to the Evaluations tab, click on Student Growth Tracker. It will appear at the bottom left of your screen. This is an editable document, so you can edit it. You can add all the student names, the initial student skill profile level, the targeted student skill profile growth goal, any progress checks that you have, and then of course the last two columns will be for the end of the year. Once you've entered your information, make sure you save it to your computer. When you're ready to upload it, click the plus button to upload your file. Choose the file. Once you find the file, attach it and click upload. The other document that you will upload into Strive is your Student Learning Objective Worksheet. You will follow the same steps. Click the plus button. Go to Choose File, find your Student Learning Objective Worksheet, and click Upload. If you have any questions, you can come see myself, or you can see your T-Test appraiser and they will help you out. Thanks for watching.